Hello everyone and welcome back to Niro Moments. My quarantine hair is getting to me. I went on Facebook and I let them decide what to do with his hair. These are the two products I have. I gave him a choice all over pink, all over purple, highlighted pink and purple, or ombre, like the box. Well, guess what they chose? The ombre. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to start out with the bleach. I'm going to section out my hair. I'm scared. Even 55-year-olds don't need to be boring. I tell you that right now. I am far from boring. Well, it used to be pink. I don't know what to see. This is quarantine hair. This is absolute quarantine hair. It used to be pink. I don't know what happened. Alright, let me get started with sectioning it. I have my foils. I have my hair ties. I have my little comb. Alright, let me get started. See, Brad Mondo, even 55-year-olds can do their hair. Well, I might be eating those words at the end of this, but well, let's see. Okay, now my hair is all sectioned off. I'm gonna go mix up the bleach. See, in my mirror, I can still see the pink. I don't think you can see it. It kind of looks like a shitty shade of orange now. But I'm about to pull all this color out. All right, let me go read the directions on this. And I'll be back. I think I gotta find a paintbrush too. It doesn't come with a brush. Nice color, the brush. Keep that in a little one. Okay, my bleach is all mixed up, and after opening the contents of the box, this is not going to be enough for my hair. I should have bought two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the front and work my way to the back. And if I run out, then I'll have to, after I rinse and bleach the front, I'm going to have to run out and get another one. All right, here we go. got it all. I need to get these roots. Okay, that's it. I'm out. Oh. I'm gonna leave this in 30 more minutes. See what happens. Oh, let's see if I can squeeze them out. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo the back. But let me go rinse out and use. Let me go rinse out and use the toner. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this conditioner stay in my hair for about 10 minutes. Oh my god, what have I done? Oh. Back. Somehow I'm gonna make this work. With more bleach, but I'm not sure I want to do it again. Oh my god. Nope, I'm gonna save this. Okay. I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to work my way down to the little rub, to the hair tie. Start at the top, work my way down to the hair tie. starting mostly in the front so that if I do start running out, I can use the other one to blend it to the back. Oh God. I opened a complete can of worms here. Here we go. Oh God. Alright, let me get this off my face. Let this sit for a half hour and rinse it out. I'm ready to rinse out. I'm going to wash it, shampoo in. I'm going to use this hair mask that I got at the Dollar General. And I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 30 minutes so it's not dried out. Hopefully pretty healthy. I mean, this has got to be the 5,000th time I've dyed my hair, so this is much needed. Okay, I'll be back. Well, what do you think? Could it be more pigmented? Yes. But I left it in as long as I could. Definitely covered up the gray. That's for sure. Who says 50-year-olds, almost 60-year-olds, need to be boring? Not happening here. That's for sure. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time.